Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notification sounds for any app on your phone. If you're tired of constant notification sounds and want a quieter experience, this tutorial is for you. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Apps and tap on it. Now look for the app whose notification sound you want to turn off. In my case, I'll select WhatsApp, but you can choose any app you want. After opening the app settings, tap on Notifications. Here you'll see different notification options. Look for the sound setting and tap on it. Now simply turn off the notification sound. Once disabled, you'll still receive notifications, but your phone won't play a sound whenever a new notification arrives from that app. That's it! The notification sound for that app has now been turned off. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!